My dear students, welcome to our e-Vidya classes. Students, already we completed our chapter, that is food from plants. Now it's time for completion of our workbook, that is exercise part. Okay students, I hope all of you are ready to complete our exercise part, that is in our workbook. So first come student, we will solve one by one questions. So food from plants. Okay, what we have studied in that chapter, now we will discuss once again. First question number 1, students, carefully listen. We eat all parts of the plants as vegetables. Yes, we have studied we eat all parts of the vegetable, that is the root, stem, flowers part and leaves part. So now we will solve it. Name 2. First one, roots parts we eat. What are the roots parts we eat? Which vegetables? We can say first one carrot, we can say radish, other if you can say beetroot. Okay, as you know, you can give any other answer also. Okay, so stem part we eat, stems part, that is potato, ginger, or other you can write also garlic. Leaves we eat, spinach, cabbage. So these are called leaves part of the plant body we are eating. Means if you will eat spinach and cabbage, then we are eating the leaves part of the plant body. Remember carefully. Okay, and flowers we eat, that is cauliflower, 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 broccoli. When you are eating cauliflower, this is the vegetables, but you think it is the flower part of the plant body, not a stem part, not a root part. Understood carefully? So like this student, we will go for next. Write F for fruits. Which are F fruit? We have to write F, and V for vegetables. Okay, which are fruit we will write F, and which are vegetables we will write V. Understood? So first one is banana. So it is a fruit, we know, that is we are writing F. This is the capsicum, we write V because it is comes under vegetable, and it is another fruits, it comes under fruits. And this is the beetroot, it is comes under vegetables, so we are writing V. It is a orange, that is F, fruits. Okay, pumpkin, it is comes under vegetables, so we are writing V. It is a lychee. Okay, so you are writing, it is a comes under fruit, so we are writing F. It is a gourd, so we are writing comes under vegetables, we are writing V. It is a fruit, we are writing pomegranate, so it is comes under fruit, so we are writing F. It is a broccoli, and it is, sorry, cauliflower, so it is comes under vegetables, we are writing V. Understood students? So we will go for next. See, connect each to its correct name. Read the question carefully, student. Connect each to its correct name. We have to connect with their correct name. Okay, so oats, lavaya, chana, millet, and masoor, bajra, green moong, and rice. These are given some grains name and some cereals name or pulses name. We have to find out which are comes under, which these are comes under cereals and which are comes under pulses. Understood students? These are comes under pulses, we have to put in, we have to connect with pulses, and which are connect with cereals, we have to join with the cereals. Okay, first I will read oats. Oats we know, all cereals we can say grains, student. You have to remember that grains is called also cereals. Okay, so oats comes under cereals. Now lavaya comes under pulses. And chana moong, I have showed you in this chapter through different moong dal and chana matar, and chana is comes under pulses. Millet comes under cereals, it is a cereals, we can say also grains also. Masoor comes under pulses. Bajra, it is comes under cereals. And green moong comes under pulses, not cereals. Okay, and rice is comes under cereals only. Okay, or we can say grains: rice, bajra, wheat, millet. So these all are called cereals, or we can say grains also. Okay, now we will come to next question, student, that is name 3 drinks we get from the plant. 3 drinks we have. 3 drinks mean which we are eating as a, we are drinking. Okay, we are taking food as a drinking. Okay, how we are drinking water? Like this: coconut water we are eating. We have to write 3 names. Next, sugar cane. Sugar cane we will drink, student. In market you might have drunk this type of, I think, sugar cane. Tea, coffee we can say. So we will take food as a drink. Understood, students? So next question: name 3 items which are prepared using both cereals and pulses. Name 3 items which are prepared using both cereals and pulses. That is dosa. When you are eating dosa, in dosa there are, these are 2 things are mixed up. That is called cereals and pulses. Means grain and pulses, with both they will mix, it will become dosa. Okay, it is a combination of both those pulses and cereals. Like this we can say, example, idli. Idli will make both by taking both cereals and grains, sorry, pulses. Vada, upma, or khichdi also we can say. So we will make both, we will add cereals part and grain or pulses part. Okay, some pulses item we will add and cereals part we will add. So next question: name 3 things other than mithai that have the sugar in them. We have to write down 3 things that is other than the mithai that have the sugar in them. Sugar we will get from this food. Okay, you have to find out, student, what are these things. We can write there is sugar is there. So first is cake, we can say cookies, sweet lassi. So we will get the sugar in with this food. Okay, with this food, cake, cookies, sweet lassi, any other chocolate you can say also. So different examples are there. According to your viewpoint you can write also this type of question answer. Okay, how you are using day to day life, you are getting sugars from these foods. So which food you like and in which food you will get sugar, you can write also. Okay, so student, I hope you understood, and read carefully, study 2 times 3 times, watch the video, and next week exam is there. So 2-3 times watch the video properly. Any doubt, ask me. I hope all of you understood properly. So student, study well, take care, student. Thank you.